Welcome back. I am back from vacation. So if you didn't see a Walgreens video from me last week, it's because I did not do one. We went on a wonderful vacation. So my son wants to see all 50 states, as do I. And we had never been really far up to the northeast. So we went to Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. And it was lovely. It was beautiful. The weather was amazing. Now I'm back in Texas where it's over 100 degrees. So I missed that. I had on pants and a jacket at one point. So it was a great vacation, and thank you guys for sticking with me, even though I took a little bit of time off. It was truly wonderful to be away for a little bit. But I am back. I am going to walk you through the deals that I did. I'm going to tell you about the best grocery deals going on. I'm going to show you how I used my digital spend booster this week, which was spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to tell you about the deals that I did in-store as well as curbside, talk about the difference between those, and then show you pictures of items I saw on clearance while I was in the store. One other thing, I want to brag on my kid for a minute. Y'all, he auditioned for an opera. And while we were on vacation, we got an email that he got a call back. And so this week, probably today, actually, we're going to be working on submitting the next audition. They've asked him to sing a piece from the opera, which, you know, is just super easy to pull together. So we'll be working on that this week. Wish him luck. No idea if he'll get it. I mean, it's not a kid's performance. It's like a professional opera. So it's just blows my mind. Anyway, so that's my news. Father's Day items, 80% off at Walgreens. I saw that this morning. The 4th of July items were still 50% off at my store. I noticed 2 different promo codes you could use for a curbside order. Trendy 10 was for any order, but it was specific items. And then there was another code, I believe it was Adore 20, but I'll put it up here on the screen. That was for orders over $40. Let's go ahead and talk about the deals you want to do in store. These are register reward deals, and I actually did try it out this morning as curbside. It did not work. So you would want to do these as in-store deals, not curbside. On the Crest toothpaste, there are some of the Crest toothpaste that are $3. You want to get 2 of those. That's $6. There is a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $4. You'll get back a $4 register reward. I did not get the Walgreens cash when I tried it as a curbside deal. Now, I did do the Oral-B in-store, the register reward printed without any issues. These are $3 each. There's a $2 digital, making it $4. Getting back a $4 manufacturer register reward worked perfectly in store. So do those in store. Now, last week I posted that I had a spend booster of spend $5 on eye or ear care products, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Hello, that's a moneymaker. And a number of you said you didn't have that one, but you had hair care, or there were a few different ones, and I can't remember what all you said you got. But because I was on vacation, I hadn't used it yet. So I went ahead and picked up the allergy eye drops at $5.99. I did get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this free and a $3.99 moneymaker. Now, the Tide products are on promotion for getting a $5 register reward back. I did this in store. The Tide Bounce Downy products are $5.49 each. I picked up a Bounce, a Downy. I picked up the Liquid Tide and the Tide Pods. Now, I got one of each because I had $1 coupons for each of them, okay? So $5.49 times 4 minus $4, so $1 digital on each, $17.96. is what I paid. And I paid in Walgreens cash because we're getting a register reward back, a $5 register reward back, making the final cost $12.96 or $3.24 each. Now, a couple of things. When you have a deal that gives you a register reward back, even if it's a spend deal, you can pay with Walgreens cash. I did, and I did get that $5 register reward back. Now, if you have a spend booster, you might consider adding these Tide products into that. It's not the cheapest price we've ever seen without a spend booster, but it's a decent price. What else did I want to tell you about? So this one's probably my favorite deal because we needed Cheerios. These are $1.99 each. Pick up 2 of them. That's $3.98. There is a $1 digital coupon making it $2.98. But then there is a $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making it $1.98 for both or 99 cents each. But the deal is better on the Lucky Charms because it's the same price, it's the same coupon, but the Ibotta offer on the Lucky Charms is 75 cents back on each, so that's $1.50 back, making the Lucky Charms just 74 cents each. I didn't buy that one because we won't eat it. We will eat the Cheerios. Now, the Kotex. These are the U by Kotex, the 40 count liners. These are 2 for $9. There's a $4 digital coupon that makes them $5, but then you submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you're going to get $2 back, and to the Shopkick app where you'll get $3.60 back, making them both free and a 60-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're brand new to Shopkick, I do like the app. I've been using it for a while now. I do have a full tutorial on it that you can find. Use the code SWC5 when you get the app because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan your first receipt. Now, this one I'm just going to mention in case you happen to love the hair, skin, and nail gummies. These are $7.49. They're buy one, get one free. I had a $3.50 digital coupon. That makes them just short of $2 a piece. Again, not the best price we've ever seen, but if you need them, I wanted to mention that. Now, this L'Oreal deal, there's a few different ways you can do it. So I'm going to tell you those ways. And then this is how I used my spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens cash digital booster. So the L'Oreal products are buy one, get one half off. I had 2 different $10 digital coupons. Now, there is an item that is $16.99. That is the best deal for what I'm about to tell you, but my store didn't have them in stock. So the next lowest price I could find was $18.99. So I picked up one at $18.99, one at $9.49. The $10 digital will come off for the $18.99 one. The second $10 off coupon is going to automatically adjust down to the price of the second item. So since my 50% off was $9.49, $9.49 came off for that second $10 coupon. I also used that promo code TRENDY10 because I did this curbside. So I paid $8.09. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $4 back from Ibotta, $2 on each of them. And I got back the $6 for my spend $25, get $6 in Walgreens cash, making my final cost for both of these free and $1.91 moneymaker. Now, you either have to pay out of pocket because this is a spend deal that's giving you Walgreens cash back, or you would need to pay down the balance with manufacturer register rewards. So if you have questions on that, let me know down in the comments. I think that was everything that I purchased. Now let me tell you the deals that are going on that I didn't get because we didn't need them. The Pringles are buy one, get one free. So they're $3.14 for 2 of them, or the buy one, get one free makes it half of that cost. The crackers are 2 for $5.99. So this is cheaper than my grocery store because that makes them just $3 each. The Prego pasta sauce is 2 for $5. My grocery store is just a little bit less than that, but I wanted to mention it in case you like using your register rewards and your Walgreens cash to pay for your groceries. The Blue Diamond, the big bags of almonds, they're $5.99 on sale. There's a 50-cent digital that makes them $5.49. The Arm & Hammer is buy one, get two free. So it's $7.49 for all three of them, or $2.49 each. Hot dogs are on sale again. We've noticed those quite a bit recently. They're 2 for $8, but they're buy one, get one free. That makes them 2 for $4, or $2 per pack. The L'Oreal Elvive. I actually meant to buy these today, just completely forgot. They're $4 each. You want to buy 2 of them, that's $8. There's a $3 digital, so you're going to pay $5 for those at the register, but then you'll get a $3 register reward back, making it $2 for both, or just $1 each. Now, I believe that was everything I wanted to tell you on that. I will include pictures of clearance at the end of the video. Now, if you're finding other deals, please share them down in the comments below. The more eyes we have on these deals, the better, so help each other out. Now, don't forget to submit your receipt to the PG Good Everyday program. I purchased the Oral-B, the Crest, the Tide, the Bounce, the Downy. All of those are Procter & Gamble products, so we get points for buying those products, and then we can cash out those points to gift cards. So this week I will hit the points required for a $5 Dunkin' Donuts gift card, so I'll get an additional little kickback for the items that I purchased, and my son always enjoys being able to go to Dunkin' and get some donut holes. Hope you guys are having a great start to the new week. Thanks.